Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to upload your videos or photos on the application of REDnote. Just follow me step by step. Here we will go to REDnote app as you see, and you will click here. Then in this page you will click sign as you see, and you enter. You click here as you see. Then we can sign off videos or photos. You will wait just a moment until it will be shown to you. As you see here, you can choose any video or photo you want to upload it. Of course, you can go to camera if you want to record a video, or if you want here to do live, or you can choose also here templates. But if you want just to upload from your album, you will click on album. For example, here this video, you will click, then you will click on next. After that, here you can edit your video. You can add filters like this to this video here. And then you can here add stickers, you can add text, you can choose here any effects you want, or you can here edit your video like this. And then when you will end this editing, then you can click on next. And after that, here you can click on confirm. You will add anything about this post or any title. Then you can also here add hashtags for these topics, user vote. You can edit the privacy if you want to public to do it public or invisible, to select users or anything here, or private. And then we click on post as you see. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. If you click here on post and it doesn't post for you, then you can add your phone number here to post or to upload your videos on the application of REDnote. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.